Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in Depok here dreaming of the way we used to be. Hi there, my amazing artists. I hope you are all in good shape during this distance learning time. Related to your thematic lessons about lingkungan tempat tinggalku or our neighborhood, chiki 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 chew. Miss Ulfa is in the hood, y'all. Okay, related to your thematic the neighborhood and math about angles. Today we're gonna learn about space. Space. As you know, space is the elements of art. Elements of art is the basic ingredients you gotta have to create artwork. About space, maybe you're familiar with the term of background. But have you ever heard about foreground, middle ground? I'll give you a simple explanation about it. Foreground is part of drawing that's closest to you. It's in the front. Background is part of drawing that's further away from you. It's in the back. Now middle ground is part of drawing between foreground and the background. It's in the middle. You might see here I have a drawing. The blue part, this one is the foreground. It's in the front. The black one, the seashore and the sand, the sea, the sailboat is in the middle. So it's a middle ground. For the red part, it's in the back, further away from you. That's why it is called background, the mountains and the sky. Okay, now this is what we're gonna make today. This is your task. We are going to apply foreground here, the middle ground there, and the background. Foreground, middle ground, background, like this. You will have something like this, okay? Now, prepare your media and say basmalah. Now, this is the media needed for this assignment. Paper, black marker, pencil, color pencil, ruler, and scissors. And this is the step-by-step on how to create this. First, fold the paper into 3 equal parts. My paper is 33 times 22 centimeters sized. If I want to divide this into 3 equal parts, how much is the length for each segment? Correct? It means you gotta have 11 centimeters each for the segments. I have my ruler here. You can see I will fold it in 11 centimeters length. 11 centimeters. Over here, 22. Now you will fold it. Make a sharp crease. Make a sharp crease. Sharp crease like that. And this one. There you go. Now I have 3 segments, 1, 2, and 3. 11 centimeters each. You can see it on my ruler here. Now unfold the paper. Check out the handout given. We're gonna draw something like that. This part is for the foreground, this one for the middle ground, this one for the background. You'll be drawing using your pencil, but I will be drawing using my black marker so you can see it clearly. You also may use your ruler, but I'll be doing it free-handedly. This is the area for our background. This will be the bushes. This one will be our buildings, houses. There, I have my house. This will be the building. And another house maybe, like that. Look, when you're making lines like this, when line meet another lines, it will create an angle. Do you know what angle is this? This one, that one, that one. Is it a right angle, an obtuse angle, or an acute one? You will learn that through your math. Now, this will be our bush. Like that. And you will cut away all of these parts. After you cut it using your scissors, you will have something like this. Now you may draw your bushes, your houses and buildings, and your background. Please notice when you are folding the paper like this, it means the background will be here, the buildings and the bushes drawing will be over here. After you color, after you draw, please make a good coloring using your color pencil. Apply gradation to make it even better. And voila! You got something like this. Isn't it awesome? As I told you before, please notice which side you will be drawing. Please notice the side of the paper you will be drawing. There you go. You have your neighborhood drawing. I also make another one. Just be creative as you can. We are artists, right? Look, I even make the fence and cut it away using cutter. There, notice the side of the paper. You can add anything you like. The sun maybe, or swimming pool, or cars. It's up to you. I just say go for it because you are the artist. Now you may try. I'll check up on you through Zoom meeting next Monday. And we have finished for today. Let's say hamdallah. Have a wonderful time at home. Be good. Stay safe and healthy. Until then, toodaloo. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi